Hello everyone, welcome back to GR Media. My name is Evan and I'm here to help you master your money and build your wealth. Today, we're talking about how to manage your money using the 50-30-20 rule. It's personal finance topic today. You might be wondering, what is the 50-30-20 rule? Let's visualize it. Imagine a pie. 50% represent needs. 30% goes to wants. And 20% is for savings or debt repayment. This breakdown helps you budget effectively. Remember, we're using after-tax income. Now, what falls under the 50% for needs? Think living expenses, groceries, housing, rent, mortgage, health insurance, utilities, and etc. Needs are crucial or essential expenses. Moving to 30% for wants. These aren't vital for survival but enhance life. Examples are shopping for non-essential items, dining out, hobbies, and etc. Wants cause minor inconvenience if not fulfilled. Finally, the remaining 20% is for savings and debt. It's crucial to have an emergency fund of 6 to 12 months living expenses, say 2,000 a month. Pay off debts like credit cards or student loans with this 20%. Don't forget retirement savings. It's vital long-term planning. Creating a budget based on 50-30-20 might seem basic, but it's revealing. Without it, wants can encroach on needs, causing debt. Knowing your net income and allotting it accordingly is enlightening. Share this important info with friends and family too, to help them too. This insight is not groundbreaking or influable. Let me know if any of you have already done this below, and what were the results. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.